Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we will show you how to make 5-spice tofu with shredded pork. The ingredients are simple. You'll just need some sugar, a little cornstarch, some cooking wine, soy sauce, sesame oil, some water, some sliced pork, some dougan, some sliced red pepper and cut up julienned carrots, chopped green onion, ginger, and garlic. To start off, we're going to marinate our pork that has been sliced up. This is just pork chop that I took off the bone and chopped it up into 1.5-inch slices. We add our cooking wine and some soy sauce. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of water in here, and then we're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And what this is going to do is it's going to soften our meat up, and it's going to impart all those wonderful flavors in, and also give a nice thickening agent to our final resulted product. And get your hands in there, mix it up nicely. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Reminds me of being a kid in Mom's kitchen. Let's get messy. Now let's heat up a wok, add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil and bring that to temperature. Slosh it around in your pan, and then what we're going to do is we're going to brown our pieces of pork. We're going to get this to a point where it's fully cooked, but not actually browning, okay? You'll see what we're looking for, a nice grayish color on the outside and no pink showing. You want to make sure you stay by your pan. This is a fast cooking meat and you don't want it to get stuck to the bottom or burn. A couple minutes have gone by, and as you can see, this meat is done to where we want it to be. Perfect. We're going to remove this from the pan, clean the pan out, and we'll be right back with the next step. All right, pan's nice and clean. We're going to add a little bit more oil to it. Bring that bad boy to temperature. Slosh it around. And then we're going to add our ginger and garlic. We're going to keep this moving. You don't want it to burn. I've got the heat on medium-high, so if you let it sit too long, it will overcook. Now we're going to add our carrots and red pepper along with our dougan, which is just a firm tofu. Hey guys, it's Uncle Bill here. First of all, if you've gotten this far in the video, I want to say thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Out here walking my dog, Boo Boo Boo. Yeah. Do me a favor. Hit that like button. That way, other people who are looking for videos just like this one, they'll know that you think it's good, and then they'll come and watch it too. And who knows, maybe we can get a whole family of Uncle Bill people coming together, cooking in my kitchen. What do you say? Thanks, and keep watching. Now we're going to bring all that wonderful goodness together. The garlic, the ginger, the red pepper, the carrot, and that tofu, that firm tofu that's been seasoned perfectly. We're going to add in some soy sauce here. Oh yeah. You can see how it's steaming up. We're going to add in about 1/8 of a teaspoon of sugar. We're going to add in our sesame oil, and we're going to add back our sliced pork, and we're going to stir fry this on high heat. Okay, so once we added in the pork, we turned up the heat, and we're going to get this going. Now, if you feel like it's a little dry, at this point you can add in another tablespoon of water. But as you can see, mine looks pretty good. I don't think I need to add any more. I like it how it is. Now at this time, we're going to add in some green onion that we've chopped. Now I've cut up 2 green onions for this recipe. I might go with 4 next time. I like to have a little more crunchy green freshness in my stir fries. And I might have been a little overzealous with cooking this pork. I love pork. And this is the end. Serve it up with some rice, maybe some Taiwanese style eggs with tomato, and you're good to go. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to like and subscribe to get notifications of future videos. Costs you nothing, but helps us a lot.